வணக்கம் வாழ்க வளமுடன். God bless you all my dear children. See, question number 2 I have already done for you. But anyway, question number 3, first listen question number 3. If you understand very well this question number 3, question number 2 will be very easy for you to do it. Okay? Now see how I am doing it. First you have to find out the zeros. After finding out the zeros, you must place it as alpha and beta. Then you have to substitute in this alpha plus beta is equal to minus coefficient of x. Here you have to substitute and verify whether your sum of two roots are equal to the coefficient. That is only the questions they ask you. You have to verify whether the relation between the zeros, sum of zeros and the relation between the coefficient of x and x square, the same way product of zeros and the relation between the constant and coefficient of x square is verified or not. That only they ask you to find out. So before you have to do alpha plus beta, you have to find out the zeros. Zeros means nothing but what? Value of alpha, beta. See, in your questions, no zeros. If they say zeros, if they say values, or if they ask you to find out the solution, or if they ask you to find out the alpha value, beta value, all are same only. Alpha is only the one of the zero, beta is the other zero. Alpha is one solution, beta is the other solution. Alpha is one root, beta is the other root. Alpha is one value of x, make it a factor. Beta is the other value to make it as a factor or zero of a polynomial. See, all are the same only. Only the words they are making you to little different. Okay. So first let us find out the zeros. That is the value of alpha and value of beta. Alpha is one zero, beta is the other zero. Let us come to the problem now. See, the question is given as 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. First of all, you must arrange it in an order, in a degree base. Okay, first 2 degree, then 1 degree and then constant. So, I have arranged 6x square minus 7x minus 3. Now, how I have written this one, product of two numbers is product of the x square, coefficient of x square and the constant term. That I have done you very clearly in the factorization video. So please go through the video. Okay. So it will be very clear. I have given many models for you with the different signs, everything. I have given my own examples, everything done I have given for you. So you just watch through the video. That will be very easy for you to understand this now. Okay. So 6 3s are minus 18. So I have written there at the top, and the coefficient of x I am writing at the center. Okay. The answer, the product is negative. What it reflects now? If the product is negative, the difference of these two numbers will be at the center. If the product is positive, the addition of these two numbers will be at the center. But here it is negative, so difference, that is a subtraction of these two numbers only, will be at the center. So let us see the table. What are all makes you 18? 1 into 18 is 18, 2 9s are 18, 3 6 are 18. But where the difference is 7, now see, 18 minus 1 is 17. No, this is not correct. Okay, that we don't want. Here 6 minus 3 is 3. This also we don't want. So here only 9 minus 2 is 7. Only this pair we wanted. So let us write it as 2 1 and then the other one is 9. See, 2 9s are 18. But the above one is what? 18. Negative. So both are with the different sign. No. Then which is positive and which is negative? The number which is inside that, no, what sign, that will be the bigger number sign. So only this minus. So minus 7 means minus 9. If it is plus 7 means it should be plus 9. If it is minus, automatically this will be plus. These are the roots we have found out. But we have coefficient for x square also. If coefficient of x square is 1, we can straight away write x plus 2 directly. Here also x minus 9 directly. But here it is coefficient is other than 1. So it has 6. Other than 1 means you have to divide this coefficient by this factor. Okay. Now see, when I divide, it will become minus 3 3s are 9, 2 3s are 6. Here it is 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6. No, now it will not be x plus 2. It is x plus 1 by 3. This is not x minus 9. This is x minus 3 by 2. These are the factors we found out. From that only we will find out 0 directly. No. How will we find out opposite sign of this? This is the value. Okay, now alpha is equal, x is equal to minus 1 by 3, and then here x is equal to plus 3 by 2. So alpha is equal to what? Alpha is equal to 1 by minus 1 by 3, and then beta is equal to 3 by 2. We found out the answer. Is it clear for you now? So these are the zeros. After that our work is very easy here. See what we are going to do now. In the place of alpha, what we are going to write? Minus 1 by 3. In the place of beta, we are going to write 3 by 2. Here, what is the coefficient of x? 7 minus 7. Already minus sign is there in the problem. So minus of minus 7. What is coefficient of x square? It is 6. Here see, both are with a different denominator. What you have to do? You have to find out the LCM or will do the cross multiplication. So 2 plus 3 3s are 9. Here 3 2s are 6. So this is minus 2. Okay, now it is plus 7 because both are same sign. So plus 7 by 6. Now see, both are with a different sign. So you have to subtract. So 9 minus 2 is nothing but 7 by 6. Here also it is 7 by 6. Hence it is verified. Alpha plus beta is verified. Let me repeat again. These are with the two different denominator. What should we do now? We have to convert this 3 into 6. So when I convert 3 into 6, 3 2s are 6. So numerator also I multiply by 2. Here 2 3s are 6. So numerator also multiply by 3. Or otherwise you just have a cross multiply and multiply both the denominator together. That is a shortcut without knowing the basic. The basic is we are converting the 3 into 6 and we are converting 2 into 6. When we convert 3 into 6, we are multiplying both numerator and denominator by 2. When we are converting 2 into 6, we are multiplying both numerator and denominator by 3. That only we have done it here. Okay now? Here in alpha beta is equal to constant C now. What is alpha now? Alpha is what? Minus 1 by 3. What is beta? 3 by 2 is equal to. What is right side? Constant. Constant is what? Minus 3. What is coefficient of x square? It is 6. Okay, now just multiply on the left side. 3 1 is 3, so it is, we can get cancelled now. 3 3, so only minus 1 will be at the top and 2 will be at the bottom. Here see, minus 3 by 6, you can divide. 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 3 is 6, so again it is minus 1 by 2. So hence both are verified. So you can write it is verified. Zeros and coefficients of x quadratic equations are verified. Now you can write clearly now. Verified. Okay. Now let me quickly repeat the first sum. You can understand very well now. See, product is 4 into 1 4. I have written at the top. Coefficient of s is minus 4. So that will be sum. So I have written here the two combinations are 2 and 2. So minus 2 and minus 2 because addition will be at the center. Why? Because of the positive. The top one is positive. Addition of two roots will be at the center. So here it is minus 4. So this is minus 2 and this is minus 2. I am dividing by the coefficient of s square. So I will divide by 4. So when I simplify it is 1 by 2. So s minus 1 by 2, s minus 1 by 2 are the factors. Okay. But from here I have taken the value of s which is equal to half, which is equal to half. So alpha is half, beta is also half. Now I wanted to verify. So once again writing the same equation here for make it very easy. Okay. Now alpha plus beta is half plus half. Coefficient of minus coefficient of x. S is already here. It is not x. It should be what? Yes, you have to write it here. Okay. Here also it must be s square because the equation in the form of s. The same way here also coefficient of s square only. Okay. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus coefficient of s. S is minus 4. So minus of minus 4. Coefficient of s square is nothing but 4. So here 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 both are the same denominator. So I have written one time only adding the numerator. So 1 plus 1. We are adding. We are not multiplying. Okay. So 1 plus 1. So 2 by 2 is nothing but 1. Here both same sign. So it has become plus. 4 by 4 gets cancelled 1 by 1. Same way alpha beta half into half is nothing but is equal to 1 by 4. Here also 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. Both are verified. I think it is very clear for you. I think now student better you go through the factorization video. That time finding out the zeros will be very easy for you. Without the coefficient I have done it. With the coefficient of x square other than 1, also the third part of factorization. Okay, if you are very clear with the factorization video and also basic of the polynomials and zeros of the polynomial, these sums will be very easy. When you go for higher classes, you never worry about algebra at all. If you have an interest in that, really you will get the interest if you understand the basic. So please understand the basic and do it. Thank you, children.